hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be telling you guys reviews and honest opinions about Sand and Sky exfoliating scrub and the mask. So basically these launched on Nykaa and basically in India I think about 2 months now, and they have really lovely combos and offers. So I went ahead with the skin proliferating kit, I think that is what it's called. I got this exfoliating scrub and this pink clay, which is one of their most famous products. So I was actually really excited. I think I got to know about this brand I think around 2 years back, and I was really excited, but I was somewhere very disheartened that this wasn't available in India. And now later, like I think around 2-3 months, it was somewhat not in my budget to actually go ahead and buy these. So I got my hands on these and finally I can review them for you guys, giving a quick intro of what these products are. Apart from having the Australian pink clay as the main ingredient, which acts as a magnet to remove impurities from your skin, this mask is also loaded with bamboo and macadamia seed extract. So basically bamboo extracts and macadamia seed extracts soothe your skin while they remove every bit of dead skin cell off your face. And also this contains Australian finger lime extracts, which are loaded with AHAs and improve your cell turnover while clarifying your skin. Also this scrub is loaded with essential oils such as grapeseed oil, olive oil and rosehip oil. So basically these are rich in antioxidants and they prevent anti-aging, they nourish your skin and they improve your cell turnover. And also this has witch hazel, which sort of soothes your skin and prevents any sort of irritation. Moving on to the clay mask, the Australian pink clay mask again has the Australian pink clay as the main ingredient. It also has pomegranate and mangosteen extracts, which are loaded with antioxidants. They improve your cell turnover and they heal your skin and they prevent anti-aging. This is also loaded with witch hazel and kelp. So basically witch hazel sort of soothes your skin and prevents irritation, and kelp sort of increases your skin healing process. Apart from it being loaded with pomegranate and mangosteen extracts, it's also loaded with kakadu plum extracts, which is the world's richest vitamin C source basically, and it sort of brightens your skin as well. I'm going to go ahead with the scrub, and this is the way the scrub looks, and I'm going to quickly try it on my face and then wash it off. So when it comes to the consistency of the scrub, this is the way the scrub looks and this is the way the consistency of the scrub is. It has really heavy grains. It has these large grainy structures as well inside, and it's pink. And this is the way it is. It's a bit thick. So I'm going to just scrub my face now and then wash it off. It has these really huge grains in it. I don't know what exactly it is for, but it's really huge. It's like as if I'm scrubbing my face with the apricot scrub basically. I think it's for the perfect cleanse or exfoliating ritual. The description says that you have to scrub your face for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to do that for about 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to wash this off and get back to you guys. So I've washed off the scrub and my skin feels really smooth. I really feel that it's taken out every bit of dirt from my face, even the deep-rooted the pores which I have on my chin. Basically I have combination skin. I really feel that they have taken out every bit of dirt. I really feel it's not deeply cleansed my chin, but I really feel it's done the job halfway, or I think 3/4 of the job. My skin feels really smooth right now and my pores are just closed, and I really don't feel any I don't feel as if I have pores, to be honest. It feels really good. So now I'm going to move on to the clay mask, and this is the way it looks. It comes in this really cute small pink packaging. This is the way it looks on the inside, and it comes with this small brush here which I have to use. So this is the way the mask is, and I'm just going to take it and apply it all over my face. now I'm going to keep this on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. So another thing guys is whenever you apply this mask, make sure that you're not taking any dietary supplements, because it's clearly mentioned on the packaging that if you guys are taking any dietary supplements, do not use this mask. I really don't know the reason why, because apparently on the packaging it says that this mask is loaded with vitamin A and it can sort of cause some sort of reaction. So please do read things before applying this mask and do a patch test. So the mask has dried up and I'm going to be using this face mitt from Sun & Sky itself. I got it in the kit. So I'm going to just wipe off the mask now and let's reveal the glow. This is the way my skin looks after removing the mask, and I must say my skin feels really super soft. It feels like it's been cleansed really well. And there are no visible pores, like literally all my pores are just closed, and even my nose feels really clean, and so does my chin. So here as well you guys see that my skin is really cleansed well. So even my chin and my nose, everything is just cleaned up pretty well. I really feel that this thing has just detoxified my skin, and I think it's true to its words. Considering the way it's loaded with other ingredients as well, I think this mask is a go. So I have combination skin for the note, and I have said that in almost every video. So I think people with combination skin and oily skin can give this mask a try. And apart from that, the mask is not specific whether it's meant for a certain skin type. It's meant for every skin type, and I really like the results of this mask. My skin feels really soft and I really feel my skin is very luminous. You guys can see that it has this really lovely shine on my cheeks as well over here. So it's pretty much evened out my skin, and I think with more usage the mask would give really good results. So for me this mask would be, I think, a 9 on 10, and considering the combination, not just the mask, I think the exfoliating scrub was a bit rough, considering it having these really big granules like the way I showed you guys. So I really think that this combination, the mask, the face mitt and the scrub, I think I would give it a 9 on 10. 1 point less just because considering the consistency and the texture of the scrub, I really felt it was too rough. And to be honest, there was a bit of burning sensation when I applied the mask first, but now I really think it may be because of the soothing ingredients which it has, because sometimes when you're not acclimatized to a skin product, it sometimes burns, especially when I tried on my toner for the first time. It burned my skin a bit, and there was a bit of itching, but later it turned on to become fine. So I think it's somewhat something like that, because there's no redness on my face, you guys can see. Otherwise, if there was some sort of reaction, I think it would have just shown on my face now. And apart from that, I really like these products. I'm really happy with these two, and I think you guys should give it a try. But before buying, I would want you to know that please do a patch test, and first and foremost, please do not use it if you guys are using or having any dietary supplements, because it's clearly mentioned on the packaging. And make sure that you guys do your research before buying this. This is just a review which I wanted to give you guys how it worked for me, and I really hope it works really well for you guys as well. So hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon. Do subscribe to my channel, do follow me on Instagram as well. So I post there a lot, and I would really appreciate if you guys went ahead and showed your support there as well. So hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon.